Hello friend, welcome to the Travel World YouTube channel. This video discuss about by this New York resorts offer beautiful views of the Hudson Valley. So let's start my video. These New York resorts offer beautiful views of the Hudson Valley. Summary: the Hudson Valley is New York is a scenic region with natural beauty, vineyard, and a thrilling art scene, making it popular destination. The best resort and the Hudson Valley offer direct access to fall foliage hike, providing both an indoor retreat and outdoor adventure. This high-rated resort provides exceptional views of the Hudson Valley from balconies, allowing guests to enjoy the beautiful without leaving their rooms. The Hudson Valley of the New York, which follows the Hudson River from the virtue of the Albany, for thus hoping to enjoy both areas in the single visit. Some of the best Hudson Valley New York resort even offer direct access to the best fall leave their balcony. Mahonk Mountain House, New Paltz. What one of the best all exclusive resort in the country, Mahonk Mountain House offer one roof. The historic building, the Mahonk Mountain House, is the best drawing in visitors since the 1870s. Today, guests can enjoy a few modern amenities along with the classic backdrop as an all-exclusive resort meals in high-end on restaurant, including the night activities. However, it is direct access to the Hudson Valley, Shawangank Mountain, and Lake Mahonk. Accommodation: Mahonk Mountain House, address 1000 Mountain Rest Road, New Paltz, NY 12,561. Amenities: free Wi-Fi, sooner 24 hours from front desk, ATM on site. The Amelia Hudson. The Hudson Valley is known for its scenic lake and river, but enjoy these natural wonders in their full gallery takes a little bit of planning. Some of the best view can be found by staying at the Amelia in Hudson, New York, with the garden terrace and outdoor pool. Everything about this cozy stay is meant of direct guest outside. Inside, more modern comfort like a continental breakfast and free Wi-Fi ensure that the scenery outside. Accommodation: the Amelia, address 339 Island Street, Hudson, NY 12,534. Amenities: free Wi-Fi, tea, coffee maker, free toiletries. Buttermilk Falls Inn and Spa, Milton. The Buttermilk Fall Inn and Spa in Milton, New York, is the perfect blend of a luxury resort stay around the garden. Other unique features is the highly rated in New York resort, including the farm and table restaurant on Hudson Valley vacation. Accommodation: Buttermilk Falls Inn, address 220 North Road, Milton, NY 12,547. Amenities: free Wi-Fi, air conditioned fireplace restaurant. Crown Plaza, Albany, the Desmond Hotel, Albany. Albany is the capital of New York, so guests can expect the accommodation is the city to be of the equally high caliber to Crown Plaza. Albany, known as the Desmond Hotel, aims to blend living the hotel. Accommodation: Crown Plaza, Albany, the Desmond Hotel, address 660 Albany Shaker Road, Albany, NY 12,211. Amenities: indoor pool, restaurant, free Wi-Fi, airport shuttle. Courtyard by Marriott, Albany Airport, Albany. When it's come to enjoy view of the Hudson Valley, many first visitor can see themselves cuddle in front of fire, enjoy a sip of their hot drink while they lounge in their cozy miss the exceptional sight of Hudson Valley. Swimming pool for guests to enjoy year round. Accommodation: Courtyard by Marriott, Albany Airport. Address 227 World Road, Albany, NY 12,205. Amenities: indoor pool, bar lounge, free Wi-Fi, free parking. Homewood Suites by Hilton, Poughkeepsie. Poughkeepsie is a lively college town with a variety of things to do and some unbeatable views of the Hudson Valley. As Homewood, suited by Hilton in Poughkeepsie, has capital on his beautiful backdrop, offering a number of outdoor amenities for its guests that allow them to waiting to everyone's booths who comes to stay at one of the best hotel Hudson Valley, New York. Accommodation: Homewood Suites by Hilton, Poughkeepsie. Address: 900 Thomas Whitson Drive, Poughkeepsie, NY 12601. Amenities: indoor pool, a fitness center, free Wi-Fi, free parking. Emerson Resort and Spa, Mount Temper. The rustic lodge and 5-star spa at Emerson Resort and Spa has taken great care to draw inspiration for its beautiful outdoor scenery, while also creating a sense of luxury for its guests. Outside, the Hudson River runs nearby, and the ground surrounding the lodge are maintained but are not landscape, allowing the natural beauty of shine. Be designed as one of the best resorts in the Hudson Valley. Accommodation: Emerson Resort and Spa. Emerson address: 5314 NY 28 Mount Temper, NY 12457. Amenities: fitness center, restaurant, free Wi-Fi, spa. Courtyard by Marriott, Poughkeepsie. The travel sustainable hotel. There are several historic landmark. Courtyard by Marriott in Poughkeepsie work hard to protect the sprawling natural beauty that draws visitors to its room. One of the most scenic part of the hotel's outdoor amenities: free Wi-Fi, free parking, business center, free toiletries. Glenmere Mansion, Chester. As the name of suggestion of unique, Glenmere Mansion is not always a five-star Hudson, and view make it one of the best places to stay at the Hudson Valley. Accommodation: Glenmere Mansion. Address: 634 Pine Hill Road, P.O. Box 170, Chester, NY 10918. Amenities: business center, parking, air condition. The Morgan State House, Albany. When it comes to staying in the Hudson Valley, location is perhaps the biggest factor when it comes to making a final resort selection to Morgan State House of Albany surrounded area. Well to book a stay here. Accommodation: the Morgan State House. Address: 393 State Street, Albany, NY 12210. Amenities: adult only, free Wi-Fi, private bathroom, air condition. We hope you like the item we recommended and discuss the affiliate and sponsor partnership. So we receive a share of the revenue from some of your purchase. This won't affect the price you pay and help us offer the best product recommendation. So guys, आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। मैं मिलता हूँ कल वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय।